Hello and welcome to the discourse. We are again on the series of vocabulary. First we will revise the words that we learnt in the previous session and then we will learn the new words for today. The words that we learnt in the previous session were counteract. The meaning of counteract is to reduce the effect of something unwanted or to act to reduce the effect of something. The second word was counterproductive. The meaning of counterproductive is to have an effect opposite to the one intended or wanted. The third word was culmination. It is the point at which an event or a series of events ends. The fourth word was decree. The meaning of decree is an official statement or order to do something essentially. The fifth word was deference. Meaning of deference is respect and politeness. It is the act of showing respect to someone because of their experience, age, knowledge or power. The sixth word was demur. The meaning of demur is to express disagreement or refusal to some request. Now let us check the words for today. The first word for today is desolate. It is an adjective and it can also be a verb. The meaning of desolate is a place uninhabited and giving an impression of bleak emptiness. It may also mean a feeling or showing great unhappiness. As a verb, desolate means to make a place appear bleakly empty or to make someone utterly wretched and unhappy. Now let us see the examples of the word desolate. A desolate barren land. I suddenly felt desolate and bereft. The troughs that desolated the dry plains. He was desolated by the sudden death of his treasured friend. The antonyms for desolate can be fertile, populous, joyful, and as a verb, the antonym will be cheer. The second word for today is dilemma. It is a noun. The meaning of dilemma is a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made between two or more alternatives, especially ones that are equally undesirable. Dilemma can also be a difficult situation or problem. Examples for dilemma can be, he wants to make money, but he also disapproves of it. That is the dilemma of Razan. The antonyms for dilemma are extrication, rebutment, escape, and advantage. The third word for today is diligence. The meaning of diligence is careful and persistent work or effort. The example for diligence can be, the teacher approved her diligence as the project head. The antonyms for diligence can be laziness or carelessness. The fourth word for today is dire. D-I-R-E. In this word, R is silent. It is an adjective. The meaning of dire is extremely serious or urgent or of a very poor quality. Examples for dire are, misuse of alcohol can have dire consequences. The concert was dire. Antonyms for dire are good or mild. The fifth word for today is discord. It is a noun. And the meaning of discord as a noun is disagreement between people. As a verb, discord means to disagree. Examples of discord are a prosperous family who showed no signs of discord. We discorded commonly on 2 points. The antonyms for discord are agreement or accord. The sixth and the last word for today is disdain. It is a noun and the meaning of disdain is the feeling that something or someone is unworthy of one's consideration or respect. As a verb, disdain means to consider someone or something unworthy of one's consideration or respect. Examples for disdain can be, her upper lip curled in disdain. He disdained his patients as an inferior rabble. Antonyms for disdain are respect, admiration, and value. So these were the words for today. The first word was desolate, which means an uninhabited empty space or feeling of unhappiness. As a verb, desolate means to make someone feel utterly wretched. The second word was dilemma, a difficult situation or problem, a situation in which a difficult choice has to be made, especially when all available choices are equally undesirable. The third word was diligence. It is careful and persistent work or effort. The fourth word was dire. R is silent in this word. Extremely serious and urgent. The fifth word was discord, a disagreement or to disagree. The last word was disdain. The meaning of disdain is to feel that someone is unworthy of one's respect or consideration. Now let us discuss the idioms for today. But before that, let us revise the idioms that we learnt in the previous session. The first idiom that we learnt in the previous session was add fuel to fire. The meaning of add fuel to fire is to make something or situation worse. Another similar idiom that we learnt in the previous sessions was add insult to injury. And both of these idioms, add fuel to fire and add insult to injury, are almost similar. The second idiom that we learnt in the previous session was affinity for. The meaning of affinity for is to have attraction or sympathy towards something or someone. The third idiom that we learnt was against the clock. The meaning of this idiom is to act or to do the best possible to complete a task within the deadline. The same idiom is also used as against the time. So this idiom has two forms, against the clock or against the time. The first idiom for today is piece of cake. The meaning of piece of cake is something very easy to do. An example for this idiom can be learning English is a piece of cake with the help of our channel, The Discourse. The second idiom for today is once in a blue moon. The meaning of this idiom is something happening very rarely. It is not very often, it is very rarely. Examples for once in a blue moon can be I go to visit my grandfather once in a blue moon. He lives in a remote farmhouse. The third idiom for today is a bed of roses. The meaning of a bed of roses is an easy option. An example for a bed of roses is taking care of my younger sister is no bed of roses. She is very silly. So these were the idioms for today. I hope you will revise the 6 words desolate, dilemma, diligence, dire, discord and disdain, and will also practice the 3 idioms a bed of roses, once in a blue moon and piece of cake. Please like this video and please share it and please visit again. Subscribe to The Discourse. Regards.